If your garage door opener wireless keypad battery is low or dead, it can seriously mess up your day, like you're stuck outside and can't get in without digging for the backup remote or keys. So first off, always keep a fresh battery on hand for your keypad because waiting until it dies is the worst timing ever. When you notice the keypad lights dim or it doesn't respond right away, that's your cue to swap the battery. Most keypads use a simple 9-volt or a couple of AAA batteries, so check your manual or the back of the keypad to know what you need. Make sure to open the battery compartment gently. Some are tricky and can break if you force it. When you replace the battery, clean the contacts inside with a cloth to avoid any connection issues. After putting in the new battery, test the keypad a few times to make sure it's working smoothly before you close everything up. If your keypad still doesn't work after a new battery, try resetting it by following the manufacturer's instructions. Sometimes they need a quick reboot. And hey, don't forget to program your keypad codes again after a reset because that stuff can get wiped out. One of the biggest problems people run into with garage door opener wireless keypad battery issues is not replacing the battery early enough, causing total lockout. Fix this by checking your battery status regularly and swapping it as soon as you see signs of weakness. Another common mistake is ignoring poor contact points inside the keypad. Corrosion or dirt can stop power flow even with a fresh battery, so clean those contacts every time you change batteries. Thirdly, some folks don't realize that after replacing batteries, their keypad might need reprogramming or resetting, so always follow through with those steps to avoid frustration and keep your garage door opener working right. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff on all kinds of home repairs and upgrades. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to find new clients and grow their business without all the usual hassle.